This is a 1964 Chevrolet Corvette C2 Coupe. This is a very nicely restored example. This is sunlit gold, the original color combo. The gold interior, just stunning. '64 is one of my favorite years. I think they really hit it out of the park with the styling. You got the side vents here and coming on to the interior. So these gauges have been beautifully redone by a specialized Corvette gauge reproduction company. They're just gorgeous. 63 and 4 had the curved needle on the end, which I think is just such a cool design. I wish they stuck with it in the later years. This example is fitted with the 327 solid lifter, 365 horse, power steering. Really nice engine. This was the top of the line performance engine except the fuelie. So this is one down from the fuelie. The valves, the lifters and the valves have all been adjusted recently, so you don't have to worry about that for a long time. Here's your automatic headlights. They fold up like they're supposed to. Then we're gonna go back down. Very cool design. Got your wipers. That's your blower motor. Radio turns on, but is a bit staticky. There's your horn. The steering wheel is in beautiful shape. Very nice. Four-speed car, obviously. Door shuts nice. There you have it, folks. There's your 365 horse, 327 V8 engine. Revs very nice and strong, super responsive. You do have power brakes as well on here, which is very nice to have. Gives you a little extra stopping power. So down here on the front of the engine down there will be the suffix code and the VIN number. And they do appear to match. The VIN matches the car. The suffix code lines up for a 365 horse, 4-speed manual car. Those lifters sound awesome. It's got all this ignition shielding on. Moving on to the paint and body, shows very good, as you can see in the video here. We're going to go up close. One small little imperfection there. The rest of it looks pretty good. Small little crack right there. Headlight shows a little bit of imperfections on that headlight, not too crazy. gaps usually are messed up if they've ever been hit before or anything like that. These gaps fit really, really nice. You see they're sucked in good. Love this interior, just so rich looking. Listen to that exhaust. In this 1964 Corvette Coupe, 365 horsepower, please scroll down. There's a link in the description. Take you right to our website. There you can find the asking price. You can find the 80+ high resolution pictures, including pictures of the undercarriage. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate. Give us a call. You can reach us at carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks for watching.